Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I know a lot of you are still without the new Secure Boot keys, but Microsoft has a new way now that you can see if you're okay or not with Secure Boot. The certificates or the keys need to be updated before June 2026. Of course, if you have a very recent PC, you bought a PC in the last year, you probably have a PC that has the latest security keys. So you won't have an update for that because you already have them. But if you have an older PC and it is not updated yet, you are getting an update through Windows Update for most of the PCs. Now, Microsoft says that sometimes some of you might have the update, but within the updates of February or March, which means that it might not show up separate. It might just be integrated. So how do you check that out, and what is the new way Microsoft is choosing to let you know? It's in the Windows Security app. When you go into the Device Security tab and you look at your device security, you'll see that next to Secure Boot, there's a tiny little check mark, and it is a colored check mark. It is green. It means not only are your Secure Boot settings okay, it also means you have the new keys. So green means you're fine. You have nothing to do, nothing to worry about. The other colors that will show up, so as we told you, there's green, Secure Boot is on, and all required certificate updates have been applied. So that's what you want to see, a little green one. If it is not installed, you will have a Secure Boot with a yellow triangle, which says your Secure Boot is on, but you are not yet, but your device does not support the automated Secure Boot certificate update due to hardware or firmware limitations. Contact your manufacturer. That would tell you that if this is the message that shows up, you need to go and check out, and there's possibly a firmware update to your machine that will install the correct keys. This means you have to deal with the manufacturer if it's a yellow triangle. And of course, you can have a red X, which means Secure Boot is on, but this device can no longer receive required updates for the Windows Boot experience. That it simply means that you don't have the latest certificates, and normally you should. That red X that will actually arrive more in June when the certificates are mandatory, or non-mandatory, but should be installed. So it will tell you the different state of your install of the keys. So if you look at your Windows Security app, go in Device Security, and you have a green check mark next to Secure Boot, all is fine. You got nothing to worry about. Of course, the keys are still rolling out. So for those that wonder, yes, there are still going to be some keys uploaded or downloaded from the Windows updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.